Okay, Daddy, you ready? I have it. It's a little full, so I'm gonna place it in your hands for you, okay?
Wonderful.
So just put your hands out, and you wrap your hands around it and lift it up very slowly.
It's a glass.
Yes, it's a glass.
Why is it so sticky?
Just lift it and drink it. For the channel.
What's in it?
Sugar and the secret ingredient. Now go.
And you're telling me this is something that people drink normally?
Yes.
What do you think my reaction is going to be?
I don't know, because I liked it, but I'm not sure if you're going to. But I like a lot of stuff that people don't. Now drink it.
Why are you laughing?
Just do it.
Why?
Do it.
Woo!
Again? I'm just kidding. Now guess what it is.
It's kind of like lemonade.
It's lemonade.
It's very strong.
Well, lots of stuff is strong.
Oh my gosh.
You can take that off now. You want to see what it looks like? Look at it. Look at it.
How much lemon juice did you put in there?
A lot. Uh-oh. Say goodbye. Actually, no.
Bye.
No, we're not gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna drink some of this. Ready?
Is it good?
Feel good. Okay, now say goodbye.
Bye.